This sucks. Listen guys, I don't really sell cars that don't have any factory warranty, but we sold one. It was a 2014 BMW M5, and the motor went after 2 days. So, I mean, listen, if we're buying these cars, first of all, from you guys, if we're buying these cars from anyone, we always try to make sure like the pedigree of the owner is high, the body and the engine and everything like has been maintained. Like there's a lot of history on the Carfax, but what can you do? We sold it to a young kid and his family, and the engine went. So right now we're taking the car back from him, and we're gonna try and get him into another car, and let's see what happens. Driving over to the other lot right now. I've showed him about like 4 cars, and he only wants a fat engine. So I don't know how this is gonna work right now. We're gonna have to just like, the mom's here, so maybe the mom could force him and like knock some sense into him and just get something that is practical. So we don't know if we're gonna be able to capture this on camera. We're gonna find out. Let me know what you guys would do. Let me know what you guys think, how we're handling this situation, all right? So basically, what's the point of selling a car, selling a 2014 M5 with 80,000 miles, selling it as is to a customer? The customer drives it for 30, 40 minutes, does their due diligence, even calls, finds out who I bought it from. They even called him to talk to him about the car, and he gave them a green light on the car is great. All this homework you do before you buy a car, checking forums, checking service history, getting car checked out. Like, what's the point of selling cars like this, selling them as is if when the problem comes, you're just gonna end up, like, they just expect for you to fix it anyway and give them a new car anyway. Like, well, I just don't understand the point of all that. But, you know, this is the business, and we do what we can to make customers happy. But here, there's the BMW right there. That's the M5. He literally put 150 miles on it and the engine went. So, anyway, let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can find them a different car and switch them into a different car. Let's see what happens. Do you have the key for your M5?
No, I gave it to him. I gave it to you. Put it on the desk.
Oh, I did. Okay.
What do you end up buying?
Nothing. We're just gonna give this to the customer. We're looking for a car for them. All right. So the M5 customers, they came in. I showed them some cars. My dad here says we're gonna put it in the shop. We're gonna see if these BMW dealership is even telling the truth, if the engine really is bad.
Where is Nasser, my master mechanic? Make sure to check the car 100%, and so we could give a good report to the customer. Man, if I'm right,
He's gonna go nuts.
I want to go crazy. I hope I'm right.
Let's see what happens.
See what happened, Nasser. See what happened if I'm right or I'm wrong. At least if I'm wrong, my master mechanic, he told me I'm wrong.
Right.
Not a new car dealer.
Let's see.
Right, Nasser? Yeah. Absolutely.
We have to check it no matter what.
You take the starter off?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Hold the mic.
Not looking good.
What? Where is the starter? What? Sure, you gotta take the starter off. Let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, we just got to Janice Outhouse 6. Of course, we just parked. My dad's already inside. So we're gonna go inside. We're gonna hang out with the guys, do some things. You guys are gonna see my dad. He's gonna get on one right now, so let's go. I know some
هذه
words.
جميلة in Arabic that mean
Beauty.
beauty. Okay, جميل in جميلة. And last name, you say Camille and Camila. You know, like there is a book
so we can
that
short.
tell you everything about
Give me
name.
like 45 minute YouTube video.
But this is Jamila, she's Jamila.
Every name in Arabic means something,
Yes,
except for John and George.
John and George.
That's
Yeah.
what Saliba means.
Like sometimes you
Saliba,
say
Saliba's
Karim
cross.
is a generous,
there's-
and see somebody his name Karim, he's so cheap.
That's a good one, guys. Make sure you paid attention to that.
Yeah, man.
What's up, man?
Why not?
What's going on? How you doing? What's going on? What are you selling? How are you? What's going on? What are you selling?
My man John.
What's up, John? How you doing? I'm George. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Right now.
All right.
Yeah.
What do you guys do? What's he buying?
He's buying a 2021 Infiniti Q50.
Awesome. A lot of infinities down here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So
Cool.
we're working on it.
All right, man. Awesome. You're the man.
So you pump yourself here to cover for everyone?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Damn. Everybody laugh? Man, this is August, man.
It's me and Eli.
When August comes, that's where I took my vacation early. So this way I'll be back in August when everybody disappear and they lose their mind.
Yeah.
And they get angry because the summer is
It's going.
gone. Nobody like to go back to work. Nobody like to go back to school. This is America. Everybody wanna be lazy and sit and do nothing. And want the government to take care of them. You know, and nobody look hard for a job. Nobody wanna work hard.
Can't tell if this is on.
And they just wanna sit
this is
home
really an extra like
and
experience today. 'Cause-
smoke a pot and having
All right,
fun.
We're just gonna go with it.
But they don't understand if you work hard, you accomplish a lot. You sit home, you'll be loser the
go.
rest of your life.
All right, Dad, we got it, man. Got it. Got it. Guys, getting the full experience today. We got John B. Saliba, guys, here.
Yeah.
The OG, we got John Saliba.
Mikey loves when I speak. Look at Mike. He loves.
This is gonna keep him going another 40 years, guys. You guys, like, comment, subscribe for my dad right
Yeah,
now. He's got
man.
an extra 40 years on his life. 'Cause
I mean that boy 2 years ago, he think himself he Mr. Know-it-all. Now he listen and he's very successful. Put the camera on him, man, and he's doing great because he listened to the big boy, to the bulldozer.
Get a bulldozer.
When you listen to the bulldozer, you'll be bulldozer, but little baby bulldozer, not the big
Guys,
one, not the caterpillar.
Not the
You know
caterpillar.
what I mean?
Yeah. He'll be a bobcat. He'll be a bobcat.
Yes.
Guys, he's not saying anything that's not true, so he's right.
He's a bobcat. My man.
Guys are getting just a glimpse.
And get the
But
showroom
today-
here, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, look at that showroom, how gorgeous. This is Gen S6.
Anyone, all my van customers, everyone who's asking me for commercial vans, buying and selling, this is the guy right here, Eamon.
Trucks, don't forget the trucks.
And the trucks.
And box trucks. All of them.
box trucks, luxury commercial trucks.
commercial.
Anything commercial.
Muscles, American car, everything. Because
American.
here we in South Jersey. This is a garden state in South Jersey. You know, you can't buy fruit and vegetable and tomato in North Jersey. Should be two states, North Jersey and South Jersey. But I love South Jersey. I love the garden state because at least you come here, you eat something. You go up there, you eat nothing.
So there's no good food down here though.
It's a good food,
I mean,
man.
Cherry
Good
Hill.
people.
Yeah, good people.
Yeah,
You got the
farmer, man.
farmers.
You have to support your farmer.
That's right.
And that's all a farmer come to Gen S6, buying the trucks, buying the van, and they're all good heart. And when they walk in and they be in a car and go home with it. No hustle, no story, none. So that's we here in South Jersey.
Yeah, we have good customers
We
here.
here to support the farmer. In North and Mid Jersey, we there to support
The
you
luxury,
know
the luxury.
the luxury people. So we have place for everyone.
Should we go to Hamilton next, man? Should we go to Hamilton? Should we go talk about? Yeah, what do you guys think? Should we bring my dad around more often? I think are you guys enjoying this? Like, or is it just too much? But like, let me know, because I deal with this all the time. This is my life. you guys are experiencing what it's like. Have John Saliba as your father. Let's go. Come on. What do you guys think? This is good or what?
Enough.
You want to show them the back, man? You want to show
And I
them
see
the back?
the service here. This is the service manager right here. That man, he work 24/7, and he don't stop
That's right. What's up, buddy?
from
You doing?
6
Too.
to 6. And look how beautiful the shop he keep. Look how beautiful. Look. And we in South Jersey, the Garden Estate, but the shop doesn't look like, you know, the farm. Looks beautiful because the service manager keep it beautiful. And all the employees here keep it beautiful.
It's nice, man. This looks
Right?
really good here.
Look how nice. This is desk, this all the mechanic here. We have good service for our customer. Without South Jersey, nobody eat good tomato or blueberry, cranberry. This is the Garden State. It's the best. We're so lucky to live in a Garden State.
And you're getting in a Cybertruck right now.
And we're
so
getting a
that's just-
Cybertruck
that's
right
just
now.
great. That's just like makes it. You know
And
what I
we're
mean?
gonna make the farmer buying Cybertruck have some luxury, enjoy themselves. So could use it in a farm.
Is it really luxury though?
Yeah, man, both luxury. I say luxury, and they could use it on the farm. You know, they get both.
So we want to get some farmers
Right,
and
man?
some Cybertrucks.
They could
so
get
prices are dropping, guys. So tune in.
prices dropping, man, for the farmer. When the prices drop, farmer come and buy Cybertruck.
We're on our way back to the dealership right now. We're gonna see what's up with the M5 engine. So stay tuned. Okay, let's go. My dad says the farmers are gonna drive this. I mean, it's not that ugly. I mean, you don't want to drive. You don't want to put your tools in the back of it. It's got a pickup truck in the back. It's a pickup truck.
2028. 28.
Here, look. The tonneau cover's opening, man. Look, it's opening up right now. Look at the back.
You wanna switch your toolbox?
See, it's opening. See?
You wanna switch your toolbox? Switch toolbox, man.
That's the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
He said, what a day, guys. Yo, that was literally a day, though. Like, we really didn't have anything planned today, and my dad was like, you want to go out for lunch? And I'm like, I guess this is what we're doing. So we went out for lunch. He helped me out today with the customers on the M5, the one we sold with the bad engine. I don't think we sold it with a bad engine, guys. Honestly, the kid was ripping the hell out of the car, 100%. I could bet my life on it. All right. Yo, what's up? What are you guys doing to it? What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Are you done or are you doing something? You're putting it back together? All right. So, all right, sounds good. Where are you gonna push it to? In the back in the corner? On the grass?
I might push all the way back there, or I might move this BMW front right here.
All right. All right, so that's it, guys. It's seized. So now we know the engine is officially seized. It was a 2014 BMW M5 with 73,000 miles. He put 150 miles on it, and it's seized. So now we're gonna call him and switch him into another car. Even though we signed him as is, all this stuff, doesn't matter. We're just gonna take the car back. Most likely not gonna be selling these kinds of cars anymore, but it is what it is. That's pretty much it. We're gonna give him a call and tell him to pick out a car and switch him into it. So I don't think he's gonna be picking up anything with a V8 engine, but let's go. That's all we could do. And if you like this video, guys, we're gonna end it right here. All right, like, comment, subscribe. All right, more stuff coming. If you're a dealer watching this, Lane 9, Manheim, New Jersey, seller name J&S Auto House. That's J-A-N-D-S Auto House, guys, all right? We're bringing some serious heat to the lanes. If you guys wanna sell your car, the link is in the bio. We're buying all across the nation, guys, everywhere. We pick up from your house, California, Mississippi, whatever it is, we'll come to your house, buy your car. To get a quote from us, fill the link out in the bio. We'll give you a call and we'll do it, guys. Thanks again for watching. Let us know what you guys wanna see next, and that's it, we're done.